Yo, 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 what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house, and today's episode is going to be on laser photonics or photonics. I'm not sure if it's photonics or photonics, but I'm Nick, so I like photonics, but we'll call it photonics. Anyway, ticker symbol LASE, LASE, and if this ticker symbol sounds familiar, well, we did a video back in September when this was a stock that was about to IPO, and it actually IPO'd on September 29th, 2023. Today is February 4th, 2023, so they IPO'd on September 29th, 2022. And let's get right into it. This company is a Orlando, Florida-based company, and I like the company. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about it and go over it. Again, I'm not a financial planner. I am not a stock professional. This is not financial advice. This is not stock or financial planning advice, for that matter. So please do your own due diligence. This is just a show. A show. Let's get right into the show. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about laser photonics, but let me just also mention that if you want to join our membership site, which has over 300 episodes in there of material regarding how we trade. Again, we're not professionals, so we can't guarantee that you're going to succeed with our material or not succeed with our material, but the links for the courses for our membership site with 300 episodes of educational material that teaches you how we trade. Again, you have to do your own due diligence, but we'll show you what we do. And again, we're not pros. That course link is in the description, and we also include with that course the access to our private Discord, where we have multiple runners that we call. We actually called Laser Photonics yesterday before its 23% run, but that's kind of small. But earlier in the week on Monday, we actually called MSGM before it ran the following day from $2.50 to $80 in change. $80 in change. So that is several thousand%. And we also called MGAM last week, which ran several hundred%. We called Lucy, which ran several hundred%, and multiple other calls were made by us. So the links are in the description for that. But let's get into laser. So as we said, we did a video back in September 2022 about Laser Photonics Corp. It is an Orlando-based Florida company. They are on NASDAQ. When they did their IPO, they were looking to get $5 per share. It was a $3 million raise, and the deal size was for $15 million. The company was founded on 2019. Okay, and so what does Laser Photonics do? Well, they have a pretty interesting background. They're involved in the aerospace, space flight, defense, shipbuilding, and nuclear industry. And specifically what they are is a manufacturing company involved in disruptive laser cleaning technologies. Specifically, laser blasting, focusing on disrupting the sand blasting and abrasive blasting markets. This technology can be used for corrosion control, rust removal, decorating, pre-welding, and post-welding, laser cleaning, and surface conditioning. Not too shabby, right? And here's an interesting thing about the company. Their solutions can be used in the following industries, as we indicated: the auto industry, aerospace, healthcare, consumer products, shipbuilding, heavy industry, machine manufacturing, nuclear maintenance and decommissioning, and surface coating. The company laser equipment is sold globally, principally to Fortune 1000 companies. So they have big clients, and also to the branches of the U.S. military. So the company is pretty impressive, okay? It was impressive to us when they IPO'd. They were using Alexander Capital as an underwriter of this, and then Alexander Capital basically blew up a lot of IPOs and had a lot of wonderful runs because of that. The stock has a very low float, 7 million shares, very low. I like that as well. Low float is your supply. You get volume, that's your demand. You get a lot of volume and a very low float. Stocks tend to go parabolic. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just me telling you what I look for. And, Laser Photonics looks like a winner to me. That's my opinion. You do you. You please do your own research on that. But let's dig a little bit deeper about this company. So just to highlight a couple of things that I like about the company, it's a low priced company. The company's at $7 right now on the NASDAQ, so it's very low priced. The price action has been moving up. We're going to go into that. All right. It's got clients that are Fortune 1000 clients and the federal government in the form of the military, which is a big deal. And as I had indicated in our video in September of 2022, they are a Florida-based company, and we are a Florida-based company as well. And I like Florida-based companies, so let's hear it from Florida-based companies. Now, what else do I like about Laser Photonics? Well, aside from having a pretty awesome website, I like the website, okay? But more importantly, they put out news on a consistent basis. They have news out on a regular basis that basically tells you what they're doing. So pretty much they put out news on the 1st of February that they're entering into the Internet of Things solutions to assist next generation laser customers. So they're branching out. Before that, on January 24th, they put out another announcement. Laser Photonics announces next generation clean tech laser systems. And of course, the week before that, 2 weeks before that, on January 11th, they put out another article about Laser Photonics to host exhibit booth at SHOT Show 2023. So they are very much putting out information on a consistent basis about what's going on. And then let's go take a look at the chart, which is particularly interesting to me. You could see that back on September 29th, over here on the left side of the chart, the stock popped very high, and of course, as a lot of the IPOs were doing, they popped high and then they came crashing down, and then it recovered. But look at what's been happening ever since. It had a low of $1.05. Remember, the IPO was at $5. It went up to $5.50 and then it kind of faded. But this seems to be a company that actually has income coming in and clients coming in, like the U.S. government, military branches, and Fortune 1000 companies, and it's putting out a lot of content. And look at this beautiful arcing price action. It hit a high recently of $7.19, and of course on Friday, February 3rd, 2023, the price action actually went up 23%. So you can see that the price action from $1.05 to $7, around a 500-600% increase since that time period. Okay, and that was just around the beginning of 2023-ish. Okay, and it's been going up and up and up and up. So I like the company. Again, this is not financial advice. It's not stock advice. I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm not telling you not to buy it. I'm just telling you that I'm looking at it. I like the stock, and it's a stock that's going to be on my watch list. And of course, if you like this type of content and would be interested in seeing more content like this and beyond, we have our membership website that does have over 300 videos and audio files with a lot of extensive material that we've done research on. Again, there's no guarantees that you're going to be successful using our membership website, but it's something that we really put a lot of effort into, so you can go ahead and check the link down below to see about joining our membership website, which is CoachNickMemberships.com. It comes with access to our private Discord, where we call daily pre-market runners on a consistent basis, and they are oftentimes parabolic. You can go ahead and check out the results once you join. If you're just interested in our picks, we also have a link in the description for just the private Discord, so you can opt for just that if you want, or you can just basically watch these videos on social media, But of course, all these videos come out early on the membership site. All right. Much love. And it's Coach Nick Money. I'm out of here. Peace, baby.